Janna. I'm the dietitian here at the Stram Center. Today we'll be making quinoa salad. It's a great salad because it is gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, so it adapts to a lot of different dietary needs. It uses a lot of seasonal produce as well. So there's lots of vegetables going on in this dish, a lot of different textures and flavors, so we'll make that today. We used 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of parsley, however much you like, and chopped red onion. One bell pepper, any kind. So for this recipe, we use 1/2 a large tomato, 3 stalks of chopped celery, and about 3 cups of quinoa. We used 1/2 cup of chopped cucumber. So we have 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil,